Halloween is tomorrow, whether it's trick-or-treating or pumpkin carving or whatever else you have planned. It's a great time to bring people together finally. And if you're hosting a party, we have the perfect invite. Our good friend, chef and caterer, Hugh Groman, and he joins us now with his hat on. Good morning.
Can you tell what I am, Frank?
You're a cowboy. You are
Nope.
Toy Story?
Nope. I'm my 8-pound dog, Trixie.
Oh,
This is my favorite toy.
How did I not know that?
How could you not tell? I hate when people don't get it right away. Hey, thanks for having me back.
Well, good to have you back. And first and foremost, I know you're a caterer, and it's been a tough couple of years with COVID, but what's it like to have people getting together again?
Oh, it's great. I think, we started doing parties about 6 months ago, and I think we're a little ahead of the curve in terms of just feeling able to get back into the world a bit, because I think we had a head start. So it's lovely to be working again.
Oh, good. Well, we're happy for you. We're happy for all of us. I know you're creating a festive cocktail and a side dish, and let's kick it off with a cocktail because that's how we roll, Hugh.
Exactly. I've trained you well. So we were doing a pumpkin spiced old fashioned, which is a bourbon-based drink. I came up with this on my own. And it's really simple and really fun and just a little bit different. So an old-fashioned is normally bourbon with a little sugar and some bitters. Oh, the bitters are in the fridge. And it's got sugar and bitters and then usually garnished with an orange, okay?
Right.
And you chill it. So this is going to be a pumpkin spiced old-fashioned. So we've got sugar and nutmeg and cloves and ginger and cinnamon.
Wow.
And
quite an operation.
And then we mix that in with the sugar and the water in this little pot, right? And then we cooked it up for 15 minutes and strained it, and then it's this. And you can do it right before you make the drinks, or you can do it as long in advance as you want. This stuff will keep a long time.
So how much bourbon? Use it. How much of that?
So we've got, I just put in 4 ounces of bourbon. This is going to make 2 drinks.
Oh, okay.
So I put 4 ounces of bourbon. And then I'm going to put in a tablespoon of this syrup for 2 drinks, and then I'm going to do 4 dashes of bitters. The bitters gives it more complexity. You can leave those out if you don't like a bitter flavor, but they're pretty good. And then I'm going to shake it up, and then it's just going to be. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to dilute it a little bit. The water from the ice it balances it out, okay? And then we're chilling it over ice, and then it's going to get just for fun, it's going to get a lemon wedge, and I'm giving it a nice squeeze because I really want to have that lemony flavor.
You know, I'm really missing not having you in studio because I would like to taste that.
Happy Halloween. Here, this one's for Erison, the camera person. Okay, let's taste it.
Pretty good?
What am I going to say?
Awesome.
It's delicious.
All right, let's go artichoking.
So the food is going to be an artichoke goat cheese dip. So this is great. And we're serving it with gluten-free baguette toasts. So this is great for people who might have some allergies. It's good for the gluten-free people, and it's good for the cow dairy allergy people as well, because there's no cow dairy in this dip. Okay. So to make the baguette toasts, which are right here, I got this baguette from Mariposa Bakery in Oakland, which is a great local bakery that specializes only in gluten-free items. This is not a paid endorsement. And then you just take the baguette and you slice it into little thin slices. And then you throw them down onto a cookie sheet. And you're going to give it a little bit of olive oil. And the trick with professional chefs is you take your thumb over the bottleneck and you just kind of control how much olive oil comes out so you don't have to pour a bunch on there, okay? And then give it a little salt. And then this goes in the oven. Okay. And then for the dip, it's real simple. It's artichoke hearts, water chestnuts.
Ooh.
Gives it a nice elusive little flavor. Fresh goat cheese.
Nice.
And then here's the trick, is to just use this little zester on the garlic. And that way you don't have to worry about the garlic getting, having big chunks. And I'm just going to use like less than half a clove. It's really strong. Okay. And then the scallions here, I'll show you how to cut these babies.
We are running out of
just-
time, so
Oh, you're running out of time? Okay, well,
Little
watch
bit,
how fast I can cut some scallions.
well, don't cut your
Boom.
fingers off for crying out loud.
Seriously, well, that would end it quick.
Yeah,
so
that would be
here we go.
a very sad ending to a great little segment here.
Yeah. So there we go. There's the scallions, and then it just gets salt and pepper, and then this is ancho chili and cayenne pepper,
Okay.
and then it's just gonna get pureed. Oh, one more important thing. I always put lemon in everything. Not everything, but almost
Little
everything.
lemon
So some
juice?
fresh lemon juice to give it acidity. Okay, and then all you do
Turn that baby on.
is turn that baby on.
Now, do you serve it cold or hot?
Great question, Frank. So I've got it here. You can see what it looks like. And then I just put it into like a ramekin, what we call a, anything that you have that might be oven safe. I put it into there, and then I put it in the oven, and it's right here. Oh, I'm gonna burn my hand off.
Oh, you do.
Okay,
cook
there we
it.
go.
Okay.
Boom. So
Let's see it.
it's so delicious. Now I'm gonna burn myself, but here.
Nice and crunchy. I bet it's great. My sister makes something similar, and it's a holiday treat. That looks awesome.
Yeah, and it's actually not that rich, even though it tastes really rich with the goat cheese. It's flavorful, gluten-free, dairy-free, and it's excellent with this cocktail.
Yes, it is. It's festive, too. Well, greenleafplatters.com if you want more on that recipe and the cocktail. And always a pleasure, my friend, and I hope things are going well.
I will get you the recipe, and we can put it up on that website.
Okay, will do. All right, that's Hugh Groman. Thank you, Hugh. Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Cheers.